If you're thinking about stepping into affiliate marketing, you're on the right path. Whether you're planning to earn a little extra or aiming to build a full time online income, affiliate marketing is one of the easiest ways to begin. And Impact.com is one of the most powerful platforms to start with. Once you get the hang of it, Impact.com can simplify everything: tracking performance, managing partnerships, and earning commissions. So let's walk through how to sign up and set up your account from scratch. To kick things off, let's quickly talk about what Impact.com actually is. Think of it like a massive marketplace that connects creators, marketers, and influencers with brands across a wide range of industries. It works similar to other affiliate platforms, but with more flexibility and more tools to help you manage your partnerships professionally. You'll find programs for fashion, tech, travel, fitness, software, digital products, and even financial services. It's not limited to physical products, so whatever niche you're in, you'll likely find something worth promoting. Impact.com isn't just a place to grab affiliate links. You get a dashboard that lets you monitor clicks, conversions, commissions, and overall performance in real time. Everything you need to grow is bundled into one clean interface, which is extremely helpful when you start scaling. Let's get into the sign up process. Head over to impact.com and choose the account type that fits your goal. For affiliate marketing, select the partner option. That's the account meant for creators and individuals who want to promote brands and earn commissions. You can register using email, Google, or Facebook. After that, you'll fill in some basic details like your name and contact info. Simple and quick. Next comes verification. Don't skip this step. Impact.com wants to confirm the identity of each user for safety and credibility. Once you verify through the link they send, you unlock more features, better security, and full access to your partner tools. Verifying your account also builds trust with brands, making it easier to get approved for programs. Once you're verified, set up your payment information. Go to your settings, open the finance section, and choose your preferred payment method. Depending on where you live, you'll see options like bank transfer, PayPal, or digital wallets. Make sure to add any required tax information as well so your payouts go through without issues. Now let's check out the dashboard. This is where everything happens. It's your control panel where you can track clicks, analyze performance, monitor sales, and browse available affiliate programs. You can filter brands by category and explore hundreds of companies looking for partners. This makes it easy to find offers that fit your niche. When you're ready, start applying to affiliate programs. Every brand has different rules, commission rates, and approval requirements, so look through each program's description. Choose partners that align with the type of content you already create. If you run a cooking website, apply to kitchenware brands. If you're into tech, join gadget or software programs. The more relevant the product, the better your results. Once you're accepted into a program, you'll receive a unique tracking link. This is what you'll share in your content. Anytime someone clicks and buys something through that link, you earn a commission. Rates vary, but many brands offer generous payouts depending on the product category. From your dashboard, you can see how many clicks your links get, how many of those clicks turn into sales, and how much you've earned so far. Use this data to refine your content and test different ways of promoting products. If something isn't converting well, try adjusting your messaging or choosing items your audience responds to more. Finally, when you've figured out what works, start scaling. Create more content, use multiple platforms, post consistently, and share your affiliate links where your audience is most active. You can grow steadily by analyzing your results and expanding campaigns that perform well. Impact.com gives you everything you need to manage multiple brands and maximize your earnings as you become more experienced.